ACC range review time. Charlie boy, how are you, mate?
I'm doing well, Scotty.
Now this one's been around for a little bit, but I guess tell us, it's the perfect little one.
Yeah, mate.
Workers take to lunch, you could take for a day or overnighter.
Yep.
Perfect for that.
Perfect for that. I use it for my lunch, personally. Great little robust unit, it's lockable. I love it because it looks good. I love that sandy taupe colour. I'm a bit of a sucker for that old.
He loves the sandy stuff. So perfect little esky, but it's what we can do now. If you're in that corporate world, own a business, you guys are offering something that you can do that's a little bit special.
Yeah, mate. So what we're offering now, you can get in touch with Everything Caravan and Camping, and what we're going to do is we're going to hook you up with your personal company branded esky.
Yeah, wow.
So perfect for those Christmas gift ideas, perfect for those company incentives, or even if you just want to think of something special to give your employees, get in touch with us. We're going to set you up with something definitely personalised to you.
So if they want to send a message to you, jump onto the website?
Yeah, mate, jump on our website, get in touch with us at everythingcaravancamping.com.au.